Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change file name in mobile for CUET. Start by opening CUET, find the file, tap the three dots, choose Rename, enter the new name, and confirm. Make sure the file is not syncing during the rename to avoid conflicts. Use clear, consistent naming so you can find files quickly and avoid duplicates. I'll walk you through each step slowly so it's easy to follow. If Rename is not available, check permissions and storage access in your device settings, then reopen CUET and try again. Clear app cache if the file list looks outdated, but avoid clearing data unless you have backups. If conflicts appear, wait for syncing to finish or toggle airplane mode briefly to force a manual rename and rootload. These small steps usually fix most mobile rename issues without losing any file content. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more people. Quick recommendation. Little Trees Black Ice makes your commute nicer, so you stay focused when testing or renaming files on the go. Pick one up for your car to keep things smelling clean between tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep names short and consistent so files remain searchable across devices and cloud storage. Use digits for dates and version numbers, and avoid characters that might cause sync errors or incompatibility. Consider a simple template like project name 2025-01-15v2 to capture context at a glance. Good naming saves time later and prevents accidental overwrites, especially when collaborating or moving files between mobile and desktop environments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.